In this video, I'll guide you through how to empty trash in Protonmail so you can keep your inbox clean and free up some space. We'll go step by step through the process of deleting everything that's sitting in your trash folder, and I'll point out a few things to keep in mind before you permanently remove any emails. Let's start by opening Protonmail in your web browser. Go ahead and type the Protonmail website address into the address bar and press enter. When the page loads, sign into your account with your usual login details. Once you're logged in, you'll see your main inbox view with your email folders listed on the side. On the left-hand side of the screen, look for the folder labeled Trash. This is where Protonmail stores emails that you've deleted from your inbox or other folders. Click on the Trash folder to open it. After a moment, you should see a list of all the messages that are currently in your trash. Before we remove anything permanently, take a quick look through the list and make sure there's nothing you still need. If you see an email you want to keep, you can move it back to your inbox or to another folder by selecting it and choosing the appropriate move option. Once you're confident everything in trash can go, you're ready to select all of the emails at once. Near the top of the message list, you'll see a small checkbox that lets you select messages. Click that checkbox to select all of the emails currently showing in your trash folder. When you do this, Protonmail will highlight every email in the list, indicating they're all selected and ready for the next action. If your trash contains a lot of emails, you might notice a prompt or message asking if you want to select all conversations in trash. Confirm that if you want everything removed, not just what's visible on the screen. Now that every email in the trash is selected, look for the delete option in the toolbar above your messages. This is usually represented by a small X icon that stands for delete permanently. Go ahead and click that X icon. Protonmail will recognize that you're trying to permanently delete these messages, and in most cases you'll see a confirmation message or pop-up asking if you're sure you want to proceed. Read that confirmation carefully because this action cannot be undone. Permanently deleting means the emails will not be recoverable once you confirm. If you're certain you no longer need anything in the trash, confirm the deletion. Protonmail will then remove all the selected emails from your trash folder. Depending on how many messages you had, this might take a few moments. When it's done, your trash folder should be empty or close to empty, and you'll see that there are no more emails listed there. That's it. You've successfully emptied the trash in Protonmail and permanently deleted those messages. You can repeat this process anytime your trash starts to fill up. Regularly clearing out your trash is a simple habit that helps keep your mailbox organized and can contribute to better performance and easier email management over time.